Hello and welcome to Learning Python tutorial. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn Python Pickle, that is Python object serialization and deserialization technique. So Python comes up with a built-in module, that is Pickle module, which is used for serializing and deserializing a Python object structure. Any object in Python can be pickled so that it can be saved on the disk. So we sometimes need to save the object on the disk for later use. And this is the purpose. That's the reason we use Python pickle. So we'll learn about pickle in Python along with few examples. Before that, let me show you one diagram. So you can see this diagram. And in this diagram, what you can see is consider this object as Python object. And this Python object is converted into a byte stream, and this byte stream, it can be stored directly to the file, or we can keep that byte stream in the memory. So this process is called as serialization. And also we can store this byte stream into database also. Now whenever we need to use that, whenever we want that object back, what we can do is we can use this deserialization mechanism, using which we will get that object state, or whatever the object is. That object could be a list, dictionary, etc. We'll get back that object. This is exactly is serialization and deserialization. All right. So let's create one example. Let's create one file. All right. So what do we need is, so first we need to import pickle, and then we can have some data. So let's create some dummy data. All right. So let's see. This is my dummy data. And what we are going to do is we are going to dump this data in using pickle. Okay. So here you can see pickle.dump. First parameter is student and second parameter is a file. Let's create file. Check here as file equal to, this is we have seen in our one of the previous videos as, and we provide, we want to open this file in write mode, right? Write in binary mode, correct? So if you have not seen, then please go through our videos and please watch file handling. Second video of file handling, we have seen this how to read and write into binary. Okay, so we are opening this file in write mode and binary mode. And after that, we are using pickle.dump. We are dumping this data into the file. Okay, all right. And after that, we need to close. Okay, so this, if I run this, then it, so here I can see one file is created, student data. Now what I'm going to do is I need to use this file, right? So let's create another, or maybe what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename this file first of all, and I'm rename this file as pickle read dump demo. So dump function is used to dump this object or the information into this file. And now I'm going to have another file as read demo. Again, I need to import pickle. Next, what I need to do is open that file again, student data, and I need to open this in RB mode, right? Read and binary mode, correct? And now what I'm going to do is student equal to, I need to use pickle dot load from file object. Then I need to, first of all, I need to do close, and we need to print this data. All right. So let's try to run this. All right. So you can see this data that we dumped. Can verify name John Doe age. So same information is dumped inside the file. So normally, if you want to persist object data, then we use database. But sometimes you may have to store data in a file or object in a file. That file, the data is like, it's not, you don't need scalability, or you don't need structured way of storing. that database provide. So in that case, this pickle technique is very helpful. And so yeah, so this is the example of Python pickle. And important notes on Python pickle is this pickle protocol is specific to Python. So it's not guaranteed to be cross-language compatibility. So this means you most likely can't transfer the information to make it useful in other programming language. So this file, if you try to read it in another programming language, it's not going to open it. It's not going. It's the other programming language is not going to able to read this file. All right. In fact, if I try to open this, then you are not going to. Since this file is of binary file, this editor is not able to uh, interpret the uh, type of that file or MIME type of that file. Okay. There is also no guarantee of compatibility between different version of Python because not every Python data structure can be serialized by the module. So this is very important. So as we are having new versions of Python, there could be a new data structure added in the Python library. So we have to be specific about the version we are using. So compatibility could be the issue among Python version itself. Okay. So we have to keep that in mind. The latest version of Pickle protocol is used by default unless you manually change it. And last but not the least, the Pickle module is not secure against erroneous or maliciously constructed data according to documentation. So we may have to, if you want to protect your data, then you may have to use encryption. You have to protect your information either via encryption, and along with that, you can provide signature so that the integrity of your information can be guaranteed. So this was about Pickle. I hope you liked my video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel so that my videos can be reached to uh, uh, more and more audiences. So thanks for watching.